Sagittarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements so you can get the most of your reading. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for notification from this channel. All my readings are timeless sa mga nagtatanong. You can be open sa mga messages anytime you come across this video because there is no time in spirit. I'm doing readings for all signs every week for love and guidance. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Sagis. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Sagittarius. Sagis. Okay. Competition. Okay? Merong competition sa trabaho. Okay? Stiff ang competition. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you have to prove yourself that you deserve something good. You deserve to win. Okay? Meron kayong kailangan patunayan for some of you. Okay? You need also to be competent. Changes. May mga pagbabago sa buhay ninyo na mangyayari. Okay? Changes. New assets. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong bibilhin, mga properties or sasakyan. Okay? Oh, performance evaluation. Yes, yung iba sa inyo, you are assessing your performance at work or your boss is doing this for you. Okay? Or you are the one who is doing a performance evaluation of your staff or colleagues. Okay? Yeah, yung iba may kailangan kayong i-improve sa inyong ginagawa or sa inyong trabaho. Yeah? Shopping. Yung iba sa inyo mamimili, may shopping na mangyayari with your loved ones or with your partner. Okay? Yeah, or with your parents. Yeah. You are making time with them. Okay? Binibigyan ninyo ng panahon or bibigyan ninyo ng panahon o oras ang inyong mga nanay at tatay. Okay? Parents or lolas and lolos for some of you. Okay? You will make them happy. Sagis, ano pa yung mga energies and messages for Sagis? For Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius. Shark, take care of or there will be a loss of material wealth. Okay? Protektahan ninyo ang inyong assets, ang inyong mga material wealth, ang inyong pera. Okay? Extra protection, extra care sa inyong mga valuable things. Teardrops, great personal sorrow. Okay, for some of you, merong sorrow or sadness. Okay, na pinagdadaanan. Okay, be strong. Vulture, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. Okay, that is for some of you. You are worried about someone. Okay. Forest, muddled, unclear thinking. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, parang hindi nyo alam anong gagawin ninyo sa ngayon. You are confused. You are conflicted. Okay? Sa inyong sitwasyon. Sa personal life mo to, sa trabaho, or sa finances ninyo. Okay? Sa inyong mga projects, or mga deals. Okay? Kangaroo, unsettled times, need to plan ahead. Okay? You need to plan ahead. Para sa inyong future. Okay? Archway, new opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening up. So, may mga bagong opportunities that will open up, okay, for you. Okay? So, wag kayong mag-alala, okay? Do not overthink. Settle yourself. Sagittarius. May mga opportunities na magbubukas para sa inyo. Trabaho, travel. Yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip, working abroad. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius, messages, energies, ano yung mga paparating, ano yung mga gabay for Sagittarius, please. The messages for Sagittarius. The Fool, okay? So, you will be taking chances, okay? You will be taking risk, okay? May mga opportunities na para sa inyo, but also be careful. You need also to be prepared, okay? Dahil may mga challenges along the way, okay? Alamin yung mga kailangang alamin before you proceed, okay? Because for some of you, you are traveling or you will be working abroad, okay? And you are excited, no? Excited kayo, no? Sa opportunity na yan. You're excited to start. Okay? You are embarking in new opportunities. Trabaho yan, okay? Or career, or new life. Okay? Yes, you are excited, you are happy. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, yung mga concerns or mga problema ninyo, mabibigyan na ng solusyon. They will fade away. Okay? Yeah. You are enjoying life for some of you. Okay? Yeah. King of Swords. Yeah. You will be receiving communication. Okay? Kung meron kayong matagal na inaantay about documents or this is a visa. Okay? Yeah, you will be receiving it. A communication from someone who is a leader, okay, a boss, someone with authority. Okay, they will be making a decision. Okay, magkakaroon kayo ng pag-asa, okay? Yeah. Embrace the change. Things will get better now for you, Sagittarius. Okay. Yeah. So, bagong opportunity, job offer na matatanggap. Okay. Inflow of abundance, malaking pera makakatanggap ka. Okay. Bagong opportunity. Okay. You will be receiving an incentives, commission. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, bagong trabaho to. Okay. Delays are over for you. Difficulties are over. Yeah. Yeah. Ace of Cups. Blessings. Okay. You will feel good. You will be happy. Okay. Sa mga paparating na opportunity sa inyo. Yeah. Okay, merong spiritual enlightenment within you. Spiritual growth. Parang nabuhayan ka. Okay? Magiging masaya ka. You feel happy. You feel love. Yes. Family. You are looking forward for some of you to meet your family. Okay? Merong abundance, financial security sa inyong sitwasyon, sa inyong pamilya. Merong kasaganahan. Kasaganahan. Okay? Happiness. A love of life. Okay? Pagkikita ng pamilya, mayroong mga lolo or father, okay, with your wife and children, dogs, province, okay? This is for some of you. For some of you, meron kayong mga inaalala or merong nagbabother din sa inyo mentally. Okay? Yeah. Maybe about work. Meron din insecurities. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes, there are just illusions, no? Or meron ka mga self-limiting beliefs. Na feeling mo, yung iba sa inyo, wala nang positivity na mangyayari sa life ninyo. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo is nagwo-worry lang. Warrior. Over nothing for some. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, this is someone nalulungkot, okay? They feel sad because you are doing well or you are living, merong bagong opportunity para sa inyo, you will be traveling, and this person is word sick, okay? Nalulungkot, merong insecurities. Yeah. Or merong pagsiselos because you are doing well with your family. Wheel of Fortune. Fortune is on your side. Okay? A situation suddenly moves for you. Sagittarius. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng improvement and development sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Or sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Fortune is on your side. Yes, success, victory. You will have the mental clarity or you will have the solution in your situation. Okay? You will be getting some truth or answers sa inyong problema, sa inyong suliranin. Okay? So, huwag kayong mag-alala. Okay? Kung nag-aalala man kayo sa inyong sitwasyon ngayon, mayroong disappointment. Okay? Or this is someone else. Okay? You need to move forward. Okay? Do not get distracted because of this low energy, low vibrational, because of someone na merong ganitong attitude or behavior in the situation. For you, just keep on moving. Okay? Yeah. Avoid yourself from or release yourself from entrapment, negativities. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are in a toxic relationship, okay, with someone. Yeah. Toxic people, toxic situation. Okay, get out from that situation. Sagittarius. Yes. Heal. Okay. Happy times ahead. Happy times ahead. Kung ilalabas mo, i-release mo yung sarili mo sa isang toxic na sitwasyon, sa mga toxic na mga tao, okay? Merong pag-asa sa inyong sitwasyon. You are guided, okay? You have a guiding star. There will be success. Yes. Stability, okay? And security. You will be safe in terms of your finances. Okay? When it comes sa inyong trabaho. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo involved kayo in a toxic relationship. Okay? Yeah, merong obsession also. Obsession sa isang toxic na sitwasyon. Sagittarius. So, get out. Lumabas ka sa sitwasyon na yan. You need to heal. Okay? You are destined for a happy life. Okay? Yeah. stability and security in your finances or sa work mo. Okay? May mga kailangan kang gawin or trabahuhin. Okay? Sagittarius, you need to pay attention. Okay? Sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Meron kang mga ideas, may mga truth kang natatanggap na magbibigay ng solusyon sa inyong pinoproblema. Okay? Yeah. So, do not overthink. Huwag din mag-isip ng negative. Okay? Yeah. Because for some of you, you are prophesizing ng hindi magandang sitwasyon. Okay? You have the ability and the power to detach yourself from toxic thinking. Okay? Toxic situation man to. Okay? Yeah. Merong celebration. Okay? Na mangyayari or gatherings, success. Okay? Blessings, happiness. Okay? Money. Yung iba sa inyo, you are worried, okay, about your money, your finances. Okay? But you will be able to overcome it. Okay? Release your fears. Release your fears, your insecurities. Yeah, celebration, success. The Hierophant. Okay? Seek mentors or like-minded people. Okay? Magtiwala. Okay? Sa inyong sitwasyon that everything will be better. Okay? Sense of commitment sa work. Yeah. You need guidance. Okay? Spiritual guidance as well. Believe in yourself. Believe in the divine. Okay? That everything will be okay. Yeah, for some of you, you need to change your mindset, your principles, okay? Values. You need to work on that, yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Page of Swords, merong spying, okay? Or stalking in the situation. Yeah. For some of you, you are already stressed in your situation. It may be related in your marriage or in your commitment or in your relationship. Okay? Yeah. Merong dishonesty. Okay? Dishonesty and deception. Selfishness. Okay? So, be cautious. Caution with people na nasa paligid ninyo. Okay? Merong dishonesty. Yes. Okay? Okay, so Sagittarius, happy times ahead. Trabahuin yung kailangan trabahuin. Kung mabagal man yan, it's okay because it will ensure success, security, and stability sa inyong finances. Okay? Bagong kontrata, bagong opportunity, big money. For some of you, you have disappointments, so you have fears. Merong distraction, merong delays, okay? But you know, things will move forward, will suddenly move forward, okay? In a positive way, magkakaroon ng solusyon. Okay? Yeah. Stay away from obsession, okay? And addiction also. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung message sa inyo from the Spirit Messages, Oracle Cards for Sagittarius. You wouldn't plant a seed and then dig it up every few minutes to see if it has grown. So why do you keep questioning yourself, your hard work, and your decisions? Have patience, stop overthinking, and keep watering your seeds. Okay? So keep moving forward. Okay? Be patient. Magkakaroon din ng aksyon, ng galaw, ng movement. Okay? Sa inyong tinatrabaho. Okay? It may be slow, but it will ensure security and stability in your finances. You will be safe. Okay? Yeah. Keep watering your seeds. Keep working. Okay? Kailangan trabahuin. From the angel number, message for Sagittarius. Yeah, huwag kayong mag-alala. Do not question yourself. Kasi may mga self-limiting beliefs or prophesizing na hindi maganda yung mangyayari. Okay? So, it is, you are in trap of negative thinking. Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius message for Sagittarius. Okay. 26. If you keep saying the number 26, this is the message for you. You have a desire to succeed and will feel most accomplished when your work benefits others. Your intuitive awareness of what people want allows you to come up with innovative solutions to meet their needs. I am tactful. Yes, you are tactful. Sagittarius. Okay? So, all the best sa inyo, Sagittarius. Maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!